Make healthy meals fun and involving.
Getting everyone excited about mealtimes is key. Involve family members in planning and preparing meals. Let kids pick colorful fruits and vegetables. Try themed dinner nights or food challenges, like creating a rainbow plate. Making healthy eating a shared, creative activity helps everyone enjoy nutritious foods while building lasting habits together.
Lead by example.
Children often model the eating habits they see. If adults make balanced choices and show enthusiasm for healthy foods, kids are more likely to follow. Enjoy meals together as often as possible, placing a focus on healthy options. Positive attitudes toward nutritious foods can inspire the entire family to make better choices every day.
Keep healthy foods visible and accessible.
Stock the kitchen with healthy snacks like fruit, vegetables, yogurt, and whole grain crackers. Place these options in easy-to-reach spots, on counters or at the front of the fridge, to encourage better choices. When healthy foods are the default, it's easier for everyone to select nutritious snacks and avoid less healthy temptations.
Establish a routine with regular family meals.
Set a consistent schedule for eating together, whether it's breakfast, dinner, or weekend lunch. Regular family meals promote mindful eating and give you a chance to share nutritious foods and conversation. Research shows that eating together can support better food choices, healthier weights, and stronger family bonds.
Educate and empower.
Teach family members about nutrition in fun, age-appropriate ways. Try reading labels together, exploring where foods come from, or playing games that introduce healthy food groups. Empowering everyone with knowledge helps them make informed choices, not just at home, but also when eating out or at school.
Limit sugary and processed foods.
Reduce the amount of sugary drinks, snacks, and highly processed foods you keep at home. Instead, offer naturally sweet options like fruit and create homemade versions of treats. By setting boundaries and offering tasty alternatives, healthy choices become an enjoyable and normal part of your family's daily routine.